In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Bosch dishwasher that powers on but won't start. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the door latch is completely fastened, and so you might want to open it up and then push it back in and see if you can latch it that way. You may have the child lock on, so to make sure you deactivate the child lock, using the control panel, locate the child lock button on the control panel. The location varies between models, however there is usually either a padlock or key icon near the button. Hold down the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds. You should hear an audible beep and or see the symbol disappear. The child lock is now deactivated. Now you can manually do it as well. If you press the catch of the lock to the right, the catch is located centrally above the door. So I'll show you right here. So right above the door, it's located up here around the center part. And press the catch of the child lock backwards. The child lock is now deactivated. If you are having difficulty activating or deactivating the child lock, please refer to your instructions. Okay, if you've tried that and you are pretty confident that the child lock is not on, what I want you to do is unplug. You could either unplug it from the wall, and I realize with a dishwasher that's difficult to do if you can't manually take it out of the countertop yourself. So what I want you to do is go to the circuit breaker. I'm sure you've done this before in your home or your apartment. Locate where it says kitchen here on your circuit breaker, and I want you to click it off for I would say a good 10 minutes. Just keep it completely powered off, and then go into the kitchen where your dishwasher is. Make sure that the power is off, completely off. Give it 10 minutes, go back to the circuit breaker in your home, turn it back on, and then see if that will automatically activate it to where you can turn your dishwasher on. Okay. If you've tried all that, now what I want you to do is reset the dishwasher. So first try it with the power on. Hold down the start button for a good 10 seconds. Just hold it down, and then that should start the reset, where it'll reset the software in the dishwasher overall. Next, if that doesn't work, try doing it with the power completely off, and then hold it down, the power button, for a good 5 to 10 seconds. Let me know if this works. Let me know which method in the comment section works for you. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if that doesn't work, see if your dishwasher is under warranty, and then see if you can get Bosch to help you. And then call the 1-800 number on Bosch. I could put that in the comment section as well, and see if they'll help you any further. All right, thanks again.